In every New Year's resolution, life's been good so far, and I don't care just where you've been, as long as you know where you are. And when it's all been said and done, we'll laugh at what went on. We'll have a seat and we'll have a drink. We'll compare notes and say, it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. And with that said, I walked downtown. My favorite bar wasn't there. The owner's gone insane. Fear the future made a change. And I just said, what a shame. So I called some friends and I made a plan. 10 p.m. Friday night. No one ever showed. I got drunk inside alone. Still had a wonderful time, because it's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. Every New Year's resolution, life's been good so far. Hanging out with friends, the music never